It's been 5 years since the COVID-19 pandemic, and the impact that it's had on work culture in big cities around the world is still evident today. And new data is uncovering that here in the city of Toronto, foot traffic levels are still well below pre-pandemic levels. On the streets of Toronto, while the roads are often congested with traffic, on the city's sidewalks, it's a very different picture than what we saw pre-pandemic. Over the years, many companies have adjusted how and where employees can work, with many still choosing to work from home instead of the office, leading to significant impacts on foot traffic levels in major cities like Toronto.
Obviously, it's going to affect, any businesses that are tailored towards office traffic, because there's going to be fewer people in offices.
According to Toronto-based firm Environics Analytics, as of April, foot traffic in the city's downtown core was 43% less than pre-pandemic numbers. While in January 2020, monthly foot traffic in Toronto was roughly 5.5 million, while in April of 2025, it was roughly 3.1 million.
So this is all de-identified data using mobile phone pings off of cell towers. Okay, so what we're doing is we're looking at the daily visits that workers make to their workplace. So it's if someone visits their workplace 5 times in a month, they're captured 5 times.
And it's not just Toronto still experiencing a decline in foot traffic. In Montreal and Vancouver, foot traffic is still at 50% less than what it was in 2020. And while some big companies are beginning to enforce office workdays, experts say it may not do the trick to boost numbers back to pre-pandemic levels. And at RBC, Bank of Montreal and Scotia Bank, all 3 banks have recently informed their staff that starting in the fall, all employees will be required to work from the office 4 days a week.
They really would love to have their employees back in the office for more days a week. On the other hand, they also recognize the toll that's taken on their employees. So they're trying to balance that. If you've got, someone who's got an hour and a half commute each way, that's kind of a day wrecker, and it doesn't exactly help productivity.
I'm surprised at the numbers. I am a fan of foot traffic. I'm going to the office every day because I like walking around Toronto, so hopefully more people do it.
I prefer to be in the office, but at the same time, I wouldn't mind working from home either if I had to.
And these numbers are expected to fluctuate over the next couple of months. Experts say that with many companies implementing back to office schedules by the fall, they say this could have a big impact on foot traffic numbers here in Toronto, but also around the country. For City News in downtown Toronto, I'm Alessandra Carneiro.